big pink polar bear. Hi, honey. Oh, can you walk?
She looks like a bunny from the back.
Yeah, she kind of does with chopped off ears. Oh. Hey, Haley. What you thinking?
Where's Mama? Where's Mama?
Hi. Can you even walk? Probably not. Oh. Hi, big teddy bear. Oh, you're like a little polar bear cub. Except you're pink. Oh. Oh. Yeah, for the back, she does look like a bunny. Oh.
Are you the Easter Bunny?
Hey, you.
Huh?
Hey, honey. You done? Look here. Yeah, hi, guys. Hi, guys.